Imagine a car that not only redefines luxury but also champions sustainability. Now envision that car being manufactured right here, in the heart of India. Following a pivotal meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Elon Musk, Tesla's ambition to establish a manufacturing footprint in India has gained unprecedented momentum. Maharashtra, with its robust infrastructure and proximity to major ports, stands as a strong contender. The state boasts established automotive hubs in regions like Chakan, housing giants such as Tata Motors and Volkswagen. Tamil Nadu isn't far behind. Often dubbed the Detroit of India, it offers a rich automotive ecosystem, skilled workforce, and a strategic coastal advantage, making it a magnet for global automotive players. Gujarat, known for its business-friendly policies and rapid industrialization, presents a compelling case. Its strategic location and seamless connectivity have previously attracted significant investments in the automotive sector. Each state brings its unique strengths to the table. Maharashtra's established industrial base, Tamil Nadu's rich automotive heritage, and Gujarat's proactive governance create a trifecta of opportunities for Tesla. India offers a promising landscape for sustainable energy solutions. We're excited about the possibilities and are committed to finding the right location that aligns with our vision. As Tesla charts its course into the Indian market, the decision on its manufacturing hub will not only influence the company's future, but also shape India's position in the global EV landscape. Tesla's entry isn't just about cars, it's about big money and jobs. A $2 to $3 billion investment and over 50,000 direct and indirect jobs. Moreover, a massive boost to EV infrastructure. And here's the crazy part. Tesla's Indian factory could make EVs so affordable that India might lead the world in electric mobility. Here's where it gets really interesting. Tesla's India plant isn't just about sales, it's about global EV domination. Right now, China dominates EV manufacturing with Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai, producing over 1 million cars per year. But with growing tensions between the US and China, Tesla needs a new base in Asia. India could be Tesla's next big production hub, challenging China's monopoly in the EV industry. The road ahead is electric, and India's journey with Tesla is just beginning. As of February 28, 2025, Mumbai, Maharashtra might win the race. So, what do you think? Will Tesla's factory revolutionize India's auto industry? Or will it face challenges like pricing, charging infrastructure, and local competition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on India's biggest business and tech stories.